India, land of countless cultures and beliefs, bound together under the British crown for nearly 200 years. By the 1940s, the sun was setting on the British Empire, and a powerful movement for independence was sweeping through the country. Yet, as independence drew near, India faced a deep divide. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, leader of the Muslim League, argued for a separate homeland for Muslims, known as Pakistan. He feared that Muslims would be politically marginalized in a united India. On June 3, 1947, the British finally announced their plan. India would be divided into two nations, India and Pakistan. The task of drawing borders was given to Sir Cyril Ratcliffe, a man who had never been to India. In just 5 weeks, he was to divide a country of over 400 million people along lines of religion and geography. Then, on August 15, 1947, India and Pakistan were born. But for millions, this moment of freedom was marked by heartbreak. Over 10 million people left their homes, villages, and memories behind, embarking on a harrowing journey across newly drawn borders. Partition left a legacy of tension and unresolved conflict. India and Pakistan's relationship has been shaped by these painful memories, from political differences to the long-standing dispute over Kashmir. But through the hardships, both nations have carved their own unique identities. For those who experienced partition, the stories are deeply personal. Some recall horrific violence, while others remember moments of unexpected kindness, stories of neighbors who helped each other, even in times of fear and mistrust. Today, as we look back on the partition, we are reminded of both resilience and the power of healing. History shows us the high cost of division, but it also shows us that even in the darkest times, there are stories of strength and hope. Let us remember these stories to build a future with more bridges than borders.